If your investments look plain and boring, you're missing out on sectoral mutual funds. Sectoral mutual funds focus on specific sectors like technology, healthcare, or energy. By targeting high-growth industries, these funds can potentially offer higher returns. Take the ICICI Prudential Technology Fund, for example. This fund zeroes in on tech companies riding the wave of innovation and digital transformation. Next, the SBI Healthcare Opportunities Fund. With healthcare booming, this fund provides exposure to pharmaceutical and biotech firms. But remember, sectoral funds come with higher risk since they're not diversified across multiple sectors. Now, here's the exciting part. Stay till the end for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000. Yes, you heard that right. To claim 5 financial calculators worth rupees 21,000, simply subscribe to Delta Edge and send a screenshot to WhatsApp number 91132111787. Don't miss this golden opportunity to boost your financial toolkit. Like, subscribe, and join us for more smart investment tips.